What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on HYLN ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals of this company and with the news that might drive the price of this company up. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, for now we are hovering at the level of around $9.66 and it is lower than the all-time high for this company for about 82%, and the lowest point is right here for about 86.34%. And this massive sell-off was right after the SPAC merger, and we have the retracement in the shape of a double Elliott wave combo. And as you can see, we have 2 attempts to go higher, but we failed both of them, and these attempts were with a very good volume right here and right here. And when we cross the previous lowest point, this point invalidates the entire count of the simple zigzag. And right here we invalidated it again, and from this point, as you can see, around $15.13 mark, we have a very strong support that becomes our major resistance for now. So, and for now we have very good, but basically almost to the tick double bottom pattern. We have here we have very good support line around $8 mark. And from this point, we might go higher with the good news, with the good fundamentals of this company. So, and let's continue with the fundamentals. First of all, let me give you a sneak peek on the company profile. HYLN Holdings Corporation designs, develops and sells electrified powertrain solutions for the commercial transportation industry. It also provides battery management system for hybrid and fully electric vehicle applications. And for now, they have a total market cap of $1.68 billion, and they don't have any sales, and that's why they don't have any revenues. They have a negative net income of $50.18 million, and they have very strong cash position of $479.55 million, with a total debt of only $5.63 million. And that's why their current ratio and quick ratio are very good, and it is at levels of 61.29 and 60.83 respectively. So, from the financial standpoint, this company is rather stable and they don't have any revenues, that's why you have to be cautious with this company, because basically this company for now is on R&D mode. They just have some researches and they have prototypes, and they just started to sell this prototype, and we don't have this information yet. And let me show you their product. Their main product is right here. Here is the scheme of their truck. As you can see, it is a hybrid truck, and I don't want to dive deep on all of these details because I made it on my previous video and you can find the link on it in the description below. I just want to pay your attention right here on their news section, and we have 2 recent news that might be a game changer for this company. First of all, this one was published on July 28th, and it's titled HYLN announces a long-range version of Hypertruck ERX targeting zero-emission vehicle credits. And here are 3 bullets. The long-range Hypertruck ERX will offer 75 miles of all-electric range and more than 1,000 miles of total range at product launch. Increased all-electric range will meet California's advanced clean truck rule regulations and enable the production vehicle to qualify for zero-emission vehicle sales credits. It is extremely important, I have to say. Hypertruck ERX enables fleet to potentially achieve net negative emissions while utilizing renewable natural gas to recharge the battery. And I have to say that these 2 points are extremely important, because we already know about their Hypertruck ERX system, that they have these capabilities, but for now they are suitable for California Advanced Clean Truck Rule. And I have to say that California on 2024 will ban all the sales of new trucks with the positive carbon emissions. And that's why this company has a huge advantage among all the companies that provide this type of trucks. So, and let me show you next news on their news section, and it was published on August the 2nd, and it says Detmar Logistics reserves 300 Hyliion Hypertruck ERX units, expanding fleet electrification collaboration. So, Hyliion continues to support industry-leading logistics firm in the oil and gas space with a vision of full electrification as it plans for fleet expansion. The extended commercial relationship builds on the successful deployment and operation of Hyliion's hybrid electric units purchased by Detmar earlier this year. So they have very good testimonials from these trucks, and that's why they reserve 300 more trucks for their purposes. Hypertruck ERX is a next-generation electric powertrain that is recharged by an onboard natural gas generator, enables long-range and quick refueling, can provide net negative carbon emissions to commercial fleets. 300-unit Hypertruck ERX reservation highlights growing demand for Hyliion's powertrain solutions from major fleets and logistics providers. So, it is extremely important news because they will sell these 300 units, but I have to say that, let me show it to you. Hyliion will begin showcasing the Hypertruck ERX demonstration units to the Detmar team in late 2021, with the trials running in 2022. The purchase and sale of the 300 Hypertruck ERX units is subject to the execution of a final agreement between Hyliion and Detmar. In April, Hyliion announced a first-of-its-kind Hypertruck Innovation Council with the leading company that will provide feedback for the Hypertruck ERX. And I covered this news in my previous video. So, they will sell these 300 trucks only next year, and you have to be prepared for this, but it is an extremely important first step. So, and let me show you their institutional investors. For now, they have 220 institutional investors. 204 of them have a long position, 2 of them have a short position, and 14 of them have a mixed position. And let me show you the latest sentiment of smart money. So, as you can see, we have more green lines than the red ones, and this means that we have strong bullish sentiment for this company from institutional investors. And let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. As you can see, we have this double bottom pattern, as I already mentioned, and we have basically technically we broke this support, but we bounced back immediately, and that's why you can consider it as a potential support line and very strong support. And from this point, let me show you, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very bottom to the very top, as you can see, we hit exactly to the tick the 0.786 level, and it is quite common to see this type of retracement on the first initial wave to the movement to the upside. And this means from this point we might go even higher and we might exceed this level of $13.86, and in this case we will officially establish higher highs and higher lows, and this means we will have a short-term, at least short-term bull trend. And the next major resistance is right here, as I already mentioned, at around $15.44. And from our current price to our previous swing high, we have about, let me show it to you, 40%. And to our major resistance for now, we have about 59%. This means we might hit this level in a matter of several months by the end of this year, I think, with a good sentiment. And this will give you very good chances to make some juicy profits. Because in my opinion, we have to hold this bottom line, and it is extremely low price for this company, for the stocks of this company, because it is an all-time low on the entire price chart. And this means you have to put this stock at least into your watch list, because it doesn't exceed the all-time high level overnight. In my opinion, we might hit these very high points in a matter of 2 years. And from our current price, if you start to accumulate your position with small amounts of money right here at this very point, right below $10 mark, it will give you potential profits for about 6-fold in the course of next couple of years. And it is extremely profitable. So, I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. In this case, you won't miss my next video. And see you guys until next time. Bye!